Check this out, Golden State Warriors, Kevin Durant, baby.
Oh yeah.
What's going on, Lincoln? Where are we going?
So we are going to LA to go watch the World Series with YouTube TV.
Game 6.
Game 6.
Possibly Game 7.
Possibly. And we looked at who the Warriors were playing and the Clippers, and they're playing each other at, look.
They're not there. They're not playing there. They're playing at the Clippers.
They're
playing at the Clippers. So Lincoln's got his KD cupcake shoes on,
Woohoo.
his KD jersey on, backpack full. Yes. This trip is already starting out well. Tomorrow night will be Game 6. I'm pumped about that, but travel montage to LA, and hopefully we get to the Warriors game tonight. We have no tickets. Let's go.
I want to get off first.
You wanna go first?
Yeah, I want to go first.
Okay. First one off. Go, go, go. All right, here's the deal. We have all our luggage. We didn't go to our hotel because we want to go straight to the game. We wouldn't have time to go to West Hollywood and then come down to LA. So we're at this hotel called Lux Hotel, and we're gonna ask the concierge if they will take our bags and stuff until after the game because we're just right across the street from the Staples Center. This would save us an entire hour. So we got tickets on the flight. We bought tickets to the game. Super good seats. So get ready for this. But first, we gotta get rid of this stuff.
They're good?
They're good. They're good, good.
Okay, I'm excited.
All right, we found the Staples Center. Now we gotta figure out where the StubHub place is to get our tickets. You see it? Yeah, let's go.
Did you actually know where it is? Or just waiting for me to see
No,
it?
I really did not know where it is. I found it.
We just got our tickets. Heading in right now.
I went in. Oh, look at those yellow shoes. How's the seats, buddy?
Good, they're awesome. Like, they're just right there. So cool.
There we are. There's the floor. There's our chair. We got this row in between us, and then there's the real front row. But hey, not bad. This is gonna be a fun game. We already saw Kevin Durant, Steph Curry. They're standing right in front of us. These guys are so awesome. This is gonna be a fun game.
Zaza Pachulia.
that's weird. That's kind of scary. Look at their glasses. Oh!
What was that?
First time somebody ever scored on me, bro.
Look at that. The ref's number's 30 and Curry's number's 30, and they're just sitting right next to each
They're
other.
best friends. They're
I
best
know,
friends.
right? They both like 30.
How's the game going, bud?
Awesome.
So the cool thing is we can order whatever food we want here, and it is free. Everything. So we just ordered dessert. It's coming. I don't know what it looks like, but we'll show you soon. What is it, bud?
This
What'd you
looks
get?
good. It's like chocolate, then there's cookie, then there's ice cream.
All right. I'll buy that for you.
It's free.
It is free. It is a blowout. Oh, KD's back in. I'm surprised KD's in because it's a blowout. They are so good. Steph Curry is so good. It's amazing. How was it, buddy? How's the game?
Good.
Who won? Warrior?
141 to 113.
Yeah, that was kind of a blowout. That was
Yeah.
fun, though.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
are you ready for the World Series tomorrow?
Yes.
What was your favorite part of the game tonight?
When Curry plays.
We made it to our hotel. So yesterday we were at a hotel called, what was it called again? The Derrick in Houston, the last vlog for the baseball game. YouTube TV and Major League Baseball hooked us up with another hotel that has a unique name. It's called The Jeremy. Wow. Nice
That
move.
was great. Yeah. I did that. Then halfway through, I'm just like, oh, I shouldn't have done that. And I just stopped.
What happens at the Jeremy stays at the Jeremy. Check this out, these things are like floating right here. And then my favorite part, this is a giant spider web with colors in between the buildings. Like why? Like why do they have that? I don't really know, I don't understand it. Lincoln's got the door at the Jeremy. The Jeremy.
Look at this. What is this?
What is this place? This place is so fancy. Look at those stairs over there.
Jump one.
Lincoln just wants to jump on all the furniture. Probably not a good idea. So here we are. This is our hotel. We'll show you the actual room in a second. Dream while you're wide awake? It's not possible?
No.
You don't daydream?
No. You can't daydream unless you're asleep.
Well, that sign is just misleading and false.
Yes, exactly. 559.
Yeah. Is it really that hard? You're like, where's 559?
Whoa.
Wait, one bed? Why do we only have one bed?
Oh.
You have to sleep on this little couch thing.
Okay, I guess I'm claiming this is. I claim this is my bed!
Well, this is our room. Very nice design. Maybe we'll show you more during the daytime.
Oh, look at this speaker.
Oh, wow. That pool is awesome. And the view of LA. Wow.
Well, that's a big pool.
This is fancy. Ooh, fancy room. Fancy bathroom. Fancy shower. Wow.
Whoa. There's wood in the shower.
This bathroom is nice.
Mommy would like it. There's lots of white.
She would like it. I hope that you liked our travel day. That was fun. That was like the best travel day ever. We get to go sit courtside basically for a game. But really nice people, really fun experience. Tomorrow is the big day. Game 4. It's gonna be great. Oh, you have your own little hanger.
People actually thought of something like doing that.
Usually there's closets, you just don't hang stuff up in it.
I mean, it's smart they just did it out in the open, so then you're just like, oh, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna break this.
Brilliant. Somebody was so brilliant.
I know.
I mean, wow.
I know.
One.